Audi India and Charge Zone have inaugurated India's first ultra-fast charging station with a capacity of 450 kilowatts. The first repowered ultra-fast charging station is located at Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex, BKC, and can provide up to 360 kilowatts of power to an electric vehicle enabled by a 500-amp liquid-cooled gun. Come, let's know about it. There will be free charging till March 2024. The new repowered ultra-fast charging station will be available to all EV owners in the city. Audi electric vehicle owners will get the benefit of free charging till March 2024. Additionally, Audi e-tron owners will also get a coffee voucher from Starbucks when they charge their cars at the station. The company says these charging stations will be manned by trained personnel available for any assistance, while there will also be a lounge for EV owners to relax while plugging in their vehicle. Find charging station from e-tron Hub. Audi India has also created an e-tron Hub on My Audi Connect mobile that will provide more information about the ultra-fast charging station. The new app provides customer-centric information for mass EV buyers and will also show charging stations by 5 partners: Argo EV Smart, Charge Zone, Relax Electric, Lion Charge and Zone Charging. Audi India has installed over 140 chargers across 73 cities in the country, spread across the company's dealerships and service centers and select Skoda Volkswagen India PVT Limited Savipal Group dealerships. There are over 1,000 charge points available to Audi e-tron owners on the app, with more to be added in the coming months.